Welcome back to Rev and Render. YT, I'm about to show you a car so excessively luxurious, so outrageously opulent, so completely over the top, that you'll wonder how it's even legal to sell this to civilians. The 2026 Maybach S-Class isn't just a car, it's a rolling palace that makes first-class airline suites look like economy seating, and I'm not sure the word car even does it justice anymore. The exterior announces your arrival with the kind of presence that clears traffic without trying. The front end is dominated by a massive chrome grille with vertical slats that reference classic 1930s Maybach limousines, but now illuminated with an LED light show that activates when you approach the vehicle. The hood is longer than some compact cars, featuring a subtle power dome and the standing Mercedes star that catches light like a diamond. The profile reveals a two-tone paint scheme applied by hand over 15 hours, with a perfectly straight separation line that runs the entire length of the body. A detail so precise that it requires master craftsmen rather than robots. The 21-inch forged wheels are exclusive to Maybach and feature a design that looks like they're rotating even when stationary. The rear features a full-width LED light bar with three-dimensional crystal elements that create genuine depth, and the dual exhaust outlets are integrated so elegantly that they look like jewelry rather than functional components. Chrome accents frame every window and highlight the C-pillar, while the overall proportions suggest a vehicle that exists in a category entirely its own. This is not a Mercedes with extra options. This is a fundamentally different proposition that happens to share some DNA with lesser vehicles. Step inside and you enter a world where the usual rules of automotive design no longer apply. The rear compartment is where Maybach transforms transportation into an experience that rivals private jet travel. The two executive rear seats recline to 43.5 degrees with leg rests that extend and support your calves, creating a position that doctors actually recommend for circulation. The seats offer 19 different massage programs, including a hot stone simulation that uses heated elements to mimic spa treatments. And the available calf massager ensures that even your lower legs arrive refreshed. A refrigerated center console keeps champagne chilled at the perfect temperature, while folding tables deploy with the precision of fine furniture to create a mobile office or dining room. The available first-class rear suite takes this further with a fixed center console that includes a tablet, controller, wireless charging, and storage designed specifically for your devices. The 31-inch 8K theater screen motors down from the ceiling with Amazon Fire TV built in, creating a private cinema that makes your home entertainment system feel inadequate. Materials throughout are selected with obsessive attention, with Napa leather that feels softer than anything mass-produced, wood trim that requires 12 weeks of hand finishing to achieve the perfect grain match, and metal controls that operate with the precision of Swiss watches. The 30-speaker 4D sound system includes exciters in the seats that let you physically feel the music, while the active fragrance system can be personalized to your preferences, with scents developed specifically for Maybach. Even the air is special, with a filtration system that removes particles, odors, and even viruses from the cabin atmosphere. This is a space designed for people who are driven rather than drive, who conduct business or relax while someone else handles the traffic. Under the hood sits a powertrain that prioritizes effortless progress over raw numbers. The twin-turbo 6.0 Liter V12 produces 621 horsepower and 738 pound-feet of torque, but those figures barely tell the story. This engine is paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission that shifts so smoothly you'll never feel the gear changes, and the standard air suspension with the active body control scans the road ahead and adjusts each wheel individually to isolate occupants from imperfections. The system can lean into corners like a motorcycle to reduce lateral forces on passengers, and the available rear axle steering makes this long sedan surprisingly maneuverable in tight spaces. The 0 to 60 time of 4.4 seconds is impressive for a vehicle of this size. But the real magic is how it feels like you're floating rather than accelerating. Fuel economy is predictably modest at 13 miles per gallon city and 21 highway, though efficiency is clearly not the priority here. Safety technology includes everything Mercedes offers and then some, with a system that can detect when the vehicle is being approached by potential threats and respond accordingly, along with the usual suite of autonomous driving features that allow you to arrive genuinely refreshed rather than fatigued. Pricing for the 2026 Maybach S-Class starts at $195,000, which positions it above the standard S-Class, but significantly below a Rolls-Royce Ghost while offering comparable or superior technology. The first-class rear suite adds $35,000. The two-tone paint requires $20,000 and several months of waiting. And a fully loaded example with every available option can approach $280,000. This is a vehicle for the billionaire who wants to be driven in absolute comfort without the ostentation of a Rolls-Royce, for the head of state who needs security and discretion, for the celebrity who demands privacy and pampering. It's for those who have already proven their success and now prioritize experiences over possessions, who view this not as transportation but as a mobile sanctuary that happens to have wheels. The 2026 Maybach S-Class is so luxurious it probably should be illegal. And honestly, I'm not sure how Mercedes gets away with selling this to civilians. This isn't merely a car. It's a statement that you've arrived at a level where normal rules no longer apply. If this video gave you a new appreciation for what happens when cost is absolutely no object, hit that like button and share it with someone who dreams big. The algorithm pushes content that fascinates, and this Maybach is genuinely fascinating regardless of your budget. Subscribe to Rev and Render YT for more reviews that explore the absolute limits of automotive luxury and engineering. Drop a comment below and tell me, is this the most luxurious car in the world, or has Rolls-Royce still got the crown? Let's discuss it.